Welcome to the world of power-packed machines. From roaring chainsaws to beastly forestry machines, we're diving deep into the heart of forestry. Get ready to witness the ultimate machinery in action and discover the incredible technology behind the tools that shape the forest industry. Imagine a giant metal bird with whirring blades slicing through branches mid-air. It's helicopter tree sawing. Helicopter tree sawing integrates aerial precision with advanced forestry tools. Equipped with specialized saws, helicopters can efficiently trim branches in areas inaccessible by ground. This method enhances operational safety while significantly improving the reach and efficiency of timber management. This tricky situation could make even the most seasoned lumberjack scratch their head. They'd have to rely on experience to predict the tree's trajectory, use their cutting technique to guide it, and even then, they'd need a bit of luck on their side. Pretty scary, huh?
Ew.
Looking to maximize your harvesting operation? The John Deere 1270G with the H415 head is a smart investment. This machine delivers power, precision, and efficiency, helping you get the most out of every workday. Its advanced features like intelligent boom control and the rotating cab will boost your productivity and reduce fatigue. Don't just take my word for it. Check out and see for yourself. Now this, my friends, is what I call a game changer. The Stump Ripper's unique chicken crown design optimizes leverage and force distribution, allowing for efficient stump removal. Its robust construction and powerful hydraulic system ensure reliable performance even with large stumps. This innovative tool significantly reduces the time and effort required for land clearing. The siren song of the chainsaw, whispering promises of easy victory over the towering oak. But beware, my friend, for hubris often precedes the fall. Literally. The R63-5B frame saw represents a pinnacle of early 20th century sawmill technology. It utilizes a reciprocating motion to power multiple saw blades mounted within a rigid frame. This design allows for the efficient cutting of large logs into dimensional lumber and ensures optimal cutting performance. While superseded by modern bandsaw mills, the R63-5B remains a testament to the ingenuity of sawmill engineers. Impressive. This level of precision and control under pressure requires an expert's knowledge of both the equipment and the environment. truly remarkable. The SpaltFix K650 Vario revolutionizes firewood processing. This powerhouse handles logs up to 65 centimeters in diameter, effortlessly sawing, splitting, and loading. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth operation and precise splitting, while the optional conveyor belt system maximizes efficiency. Wondering how this machine splits firewood? Stick around. You'll see how the precision engineering behind this tool makes splitting logs a breeze. Oh my gosh, the danger here is almost cinematic. Now, this bad boy right here is what I call a Stump's worst nightmare. You see that fulcrum point? That's where the magic happens. It gives you the leverage to pop those stumps out like they're nothing. And those serrated edges? They slice through roots like a hot knife through butter. If you've got a land clearing project, this is your go-to tool. Looking for a sawmill that's easy to use and won't break the bank? Check out the Maho Minimax. This little powerhouse is perfect for turning those logs in your backyard into beautiful lumber. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Minimax makes milling a breeze. Plus, it's so compact and lightweight, you can take it anywhere. Get ready to say goodbye to expensive lumber and hello to DIY projects. This guy is a very lucky man today. I'm wondering why nobody warned him that he was standing within the tree's falling range. Ever seen a monster truck wrestle its way through a muddy forest? Talk about a wild ride. These guys are tackling some seriously slippery slopes, and the heavy equipment they're using is just mind-blowing. It's a real test of skill and a whole lot of fun to watch. Hey there, neighbors! Got a pesky stump ruining your yard? Seco Tree Care is here to the rescue. They've got this amazing stump grinder hooked up to a super powerful tractor. I'm talking 300 to 400 horsepower. That makes quick work of any stump. Give them a call and say goodbye to that eyesore. Well, this guy's luck sure did triumph over his clumsiness. Plywood manufacturing is a complex process requiring precision and expertise. Logs are harvested and transported to mills where they undergo peeling to create thin veneers. These veneers are dried to specific moisture content levels before being layered with adhesive in a cross-graining pattern for superior strength. Heat and pressure activate the adhesive, bonding the layers. The resulting plywood panels are then sanded, cut to size, and rigorously inspected to meet quality standards. Root ball cutting? Sounds like a cakewalk, right? Wrong. It's a high-stakes game of lumberjack chess. Cutting the root ball requires more than just a chainsaw. It demands an understanding of physics and a healthy dose of respect. Assess the situation carefully, identify potential hazards, and plan your cuts strategically.
Так. Схватили!
Holy smokes, that's a whole forest back there. Is that even legal? Seriously, dude, make 2 trips. Don't risk it. The Belarus MTZ 1025 tractor boasts a powerful 105 horsepower engine and a robust 4-wheel drive system, making it ideal for demanding tasks like logging. Its impressive traction and high ground clearance ensure optimal performance even on challenging terrain. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Imagine a dance of steel and wood. The LogMax 10,000 XT harvester head, a symphony of power and precision, glides through the forest. Its top saw sings a song of efficiency, while 5 knives sculpt each log with artistry. This is more than a machine, it's a force of nature. Now folks, gather round and let me tell you, this ain't no ordinary tree chopping. This here's a master at work, a true artist of the timber. Located in central British Columbia, Prince George is a hub for logging operations. The region's lodgepole pine forests are harvested using mechanized systems such as the TigerCat LH855C harvester, equipped with a leveling system for sloped terrain and a high-capacity delimbing head. This ensures optimal efficiency and minimal environmental impact in accordance with sustainable forestry practices. Imagine a machine that devours trees like a hungry giant. The Petzolato PTH 1400/1000 Allroad is that beast. This self-propelled chipper, with its powerful Volvo engine, transforms forests into mountains of wood chips with breathtaking speed. Its massive maw, 1,400 by 1,100 millimeters, swallows whole trees, leaving only a trail of fragrant sawdust in its wake. Witness this marvel of engineering in the video below. Whoa! This ATV is like a winter wonderland dream machine. Picture this. You, cruising through a snowy forest, the 570's engine purring like a polar bear cub. With those tracks, you're gliding over the snow, not sinking in. And that log cart? Forget hauling, you're practically conducting an orchestra of firewood. This is winter redefined. We hope you enjoyed today's behind-the-scenes look at the machines that rule the forest. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all our future forestry action. Catch you in the next one.